Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can feel your energy in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. When you do an activity in Heartopia, it will consume your energy. For example, I'm going to collect apples from this tree. As you can see that my energy right here is decreased, and I'm going to show you guys how we can feel the energy. So basically, if you want to feel your energy, you need to go to your bag and then you can eat something from here. You can eat fruits or food. For example, I'm going to eat this salad. I'm going to eat, and as you can see that my energy has been already increased. So anytime you lose your energy, you can eat something from your bag. Okay guys, and that's how we can feel the energy in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.